Here I have LeEco L2 and let me show you how to enter here the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, and here let's swipe down to power off the device. Let's wait until the device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. So let's wait a couple of seconds. And let's use those two keys, power key and volume down. So let's keep holding both keys and release them. As you can see, this is the Fastboot mode, so you can here flash your device or connect your device to a PC and use it in a Fastboot mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's just press power key for a long time. Of course, don't force shut down the phone during the flashing process to avoid possible damage. Now let's just wait and press power key again to switch on the device normally. Alright, LeEco is switching on. Alright, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.